Hi everyone, this is Infi Desires Doodle, your number one place for doodles, calligraphy, DIY and hand lettering videos. In today's video, we are going to see how to make these easy doodles in simple steps. Let's start. So let's start with seeing how to make a butterfly. Now यहाँ पे मैंने ये dotted journal लिया है and I have made these grid lines. So you can see मैंने divide किया है in half horizontally also and vertically also मैंने ऐसे एक सीधी line draw की है. And then with the shape of butterfly मैंने ऊपर के box को आधा divide किया है with these lines and नीचे ऐसे दो lines बनाए हैं. So this forms your grid line for making the outline of a butterfly and sort of वो symmetrical बन जाएगा. So this is one of the easiest ways to make a butterfly and just bordering the guidelines that you have made, इससे आप बहुत easily outline बना सकते हैं and that in the inner wings of the butterfly आपको जैसे चाहिए आप डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं. Now the second simple and easiest way to draw a leaf. So I've made this line as a center में and leaf का shape आप दे देंगे and then inner जो veins होते हैं उसको आप ऐसे roughly draw कर देंगे. So the thing is with the pencil you draw very rough lines so that आप pencil से बाद में erase कर सकते हैं. Now on the left I'm doing these curved lines inside the veins जो हमने बनाए हैं and जो border आपने दिया है that will be your guideline. उसके बाहर आपका leaf नहीं जाएगा. Similar way में आप right side में उसको कर सकते हैं. So this looks like a leaf जो हम देखते हैं and then बीच में मैंने कुछ dots किए हैं, कुछ circles किए हैं. Sometimes the leaf is torn or the leaf has a different color, so to give like a realistic effect मैंने वो किया है. And then fine line pen से border करके आप उसको color कर सकते हैं. So this is again an easy way. Border कर लीजिए, give the guidelines and then you can draw a beautiful leaf. And the last but the simplest of all and very cute is how to draw a bird. So मैंने एक ऐसे छोटा circle बनाया है, फिर नीचे एक curve and then a straight line and that's it. Then you erase the circle का नीचे का part and you make a little bit of changes and you make a tail, you make a beak, you make the legs and that's it. So bird is the simplest I feel and you can give different colors to it. मैंने बहुत simple coloring किया है. You can add feathers or you can add different layers to the coloring that you want to do. So this is how you can make very easy and simple doodles. So the beauty of this is कि day to day life में what you see उसका doodles and drawings बनाने में I get lot of fun. Like I have lot of fun doing those things. And let me know what else you want to see, how to make doodles for me. I will break it down to you in small steps and we can all do it together. Thank you so much. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and do share my video. Stay healthy, stay safe. I will see you soon in the next video.